Welcome to page 9 of your term combining packet. Let's warm up and combine the quantities we've been given. We're going to do a simple stack and combine when we term combine these quantities. Let's take a look at problem number 1. We're given the quantity negative 3x plus 7 plus 5x minus 10. Let's stack like terms one over the other in the work area. The negative 3x, and we typically lead with the x term in these types of binomials, plus 7, and underneath stack a gain of 5x's minus 10. Now it's time to combine. A gain of 7 but a loss of 10 leaves us with negative 3. As we look at the x terms, you have a loss of 3 x's but a gain of 5. Find the difference. You should get 2x. Our answer is a binomial, 2x minus 3. Let's try the next one. Stack the terms properly. Negative 3x plus 9, negative 7x minus 2. Draw a line. Pause the video and complete this problem. When you're ready, turn it back on and compare your answer to my answer. Pause the video. You should have gotten negative 10x plus 7. And lastly, let's take a look at number 3. Let's stack our like terms. 7x minus 2. And then we grab the next quantity. The 3x goes under the x column, and the loss of 4 goes under the constant column. And then negative 5x minus 6. Pause the video, complete the work on your own, and turn the video back on when you're ready to compare answers. Please pause the video now. Let's compare. A loss of 2, a loss of 4, and a loss of 6 means that your constant is a negative 12 or minus 12. When we combine our x terms, you should have gotten, when you combine a gain of 10x's but a loss of 5x's, you should have gotten 5x, which is a positive 5x or a gain of 5x, but simply written 5x minus 12. This concludes the video for page 9.